Hey my melodrama angels, welcome back to my channel Melodrama by Tanya. So the video and the DIY for today that I'm going to be doing for you is a very simple and easy face mist. I know we all love our face to be like refreshed and feeling good at all times of the day. Now this DIY face mist is super easy to make and requires just one magic ingredient, which is ta-da! Rice. Rice is such a simple ingredient. It's available in all our houses, so I don't want to hear any excuses saying that, oh, I didn't get a chance to make this, or I didn't get a chance to try this, or I ate up all the rice. So literally you just need a handful of rice to go ahead and make this amazing face mist. We forget to understand how amazing and awesome the benefits of eating rice, applying it to our face, the water of the rice, how many things that it does for us. A lot of people in Korea and Asia use rice water as a regular thing, as a face mist on their faces. No wonder they have like amazing clear glass-like skin. So without much delay, let's get started.
So I start by taking half cup of washed rice, half cup warm water and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And adding the warm water into the rice, I cover it and leave it for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, transfer the water to a dish and add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. I've added 3 little capsules, but you can use 4 capsules as well, or just plain oil if you have it from a bottle. Transfer the mist to a spray bottle and refrigerate.
Spray is ready. Like you can see, it's a very cloudy texture because of the rice water, and you will notice that as it settles down it will tend to get a slightly little thicker as well. Now this face mist will work amazing wonders on your face. This in the fridge at all times because it is fermented. If it is left outside in the heat or any other humid conditions, it will start smelling after a while and it will not be nice to use. In case you don't have a spray bottle like I have right now, you can always go ahead and put it in a small container, and in the container just make sure that you have a tight lid so that no air can come in contact with the liquid that you've gone ahead and made. And when you need it, just take it out, take a little bit of cotton wool, dip it in there, apply it on your face, let it just dry. If you want to go ahead and wash it after 10-15 minutes, you can, or you can easily just leave it on as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, no excuses. Go now, get that little katori of rice and go ahead and make your own rice face mist now, and tell me in the comments below how you liked it. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, to Instagram, to be updated with more videos like this.